Now that's control space bar, and it kills the butterflies, because as far as I know they're neutral, and when they're dead they will spoil. Okay, so we got some healing so we can pick these nasty sticks. Sorry, some of these worlds are running together for me. $130, $138. I think they reduced the healing the butterflies' wings do. Now the B-flow in the cold reception world I was in before they fixed this were to help you get fertilizer, I thought, to do the grass. Oh, this was the frog grain world too. I wonder where the hell the frogs are. Alright, there's a regular stick. Now I was kind of wondering if maybe the point wasn't to collect all those into one place so you weren't hurting yourself. Assume it is. Damn. Do those hit you harder and harder the more you do them? So we're at 108. So that was only 8 points. So we're at 116. Yeah, they nerfed the hell out of butterfly wings. And these will go bad, so we're at what, 124, we should go to 132. Yep, they nerfed the hell out of them. Well, it is what it is. So much for my clever plan of collecting a bunch of sticks. Maybe the pigs will pick them for me. So what's my little detector doing now? Nothing. And I'm thinking there probably aren't any spiders and isn't any silk. Okay, here we have the pig fortress. I think we could kite them and kill them. I'd like to have a better plan, like bee mines or something. Oh, I'm only digging one time to dig graves. Crap, I don't have I think we're going to have to get through the pigs to do anything. Oh, can you dig them without getting hurt? Oh, crap. Well, let's, Alright, so I could have just dug all these. Damn it to hell. Ha ha! There's another one I didn't know about. Oh well, at least I found out before I gave up on the world. And we have the frog rain. You got to see that one float down. I hope I remember to slow-mo that.
Frogs, food, or the end of your life. You make the call. Ah, don't need it. So can I kill? I don't know. I got a feeling they're just like they were. Oh crap, well they can steal, well let's put the turds number 1. They can be turd burglars. Now what? Oh, I'm headed in the right direction, but that's over here. No? I thought he said I'm headed in the right direction. I wonder if we could get them to aggravate the pigs. Or if I just make myself a bigger problem up here. They didn't seem to attack them. There they go. No, doesn't seem to be an aggro thing. Come on, froggies. Knocking the turds out of me. Come on, frogs.
Well, we made it that time. I didn't kite anybody. There's a bunch of stuff going on up here.
And Chester. Wow. Well, I think we did good. There's my hammer. Is that a warrior that just looks funny up there, that spider? Oh crap, I don't have the top hat back on. Okay, where the hell are you, Chester? There he is. Hey, Boingy. I missed you, buddy. Me and my Boingy by our touchstone. Alright, now this is where we are, and all I did was I don't know if I have any food. Well, do we have any food? Sort of. I might leave some of that crap here. Do I have an axe? No, I don't. I don't know how to do anything with birds without silk. Now, as I've mentioned before, I feel that I would have a beefalo hat as long as there's 4 items you can bring, so... And I actually think I would have the tam. Let's leave them here. Now, if you push arrow, it comes up again. Crazy Paper Mask Dude did a tutorial on how to do this, and I'll go ahead and link that in this again. It's linked in, I think, Wilson's World and in Wolfgang's Adventure World. What was I thinking here? And like I've said before, I believe I would have as much research as possible open, having gone through survival, so.
I would think that you don't actually we could drop one of those and burn it if push came to shove. Hammer I might use here in a minute. Oh, I've still got. Now, snow, winter should come and go in this world. It's what it, well, it may come and go in this world. That's what it did before. What do I got up here? I got a pig head on a stick, a spider. I would have thought there would be more up here. And that had my weapon, didn't it? No, it didn't. Whoa, that got busy quick, didn't it?
Oh, that gives us our silk. So what does that give us? A boomerang? Where are we? 123. 89, son of a bitch. Going down. Still going down. Oh, I need charcoal.
Yeah, there's no food here at all. I may have to kill pigs or die. Damn. Well, I don't have stingers. I was going to make... Damn it. Oh, well, that's probably the lesser of all evils. Is there food anywhere?
probably should have gone right after the pigs.
I don't know what to do. I didn't even have armor on. What a dumbass.